Of course, life is not fair. This is just a share, a reminder to each and every one of us, because many times we are complaining. It's so unfair. You have to understand that life is not fair at all. But if you believe in God, but you let God to lead your way, to lead your path, you can fully understand that life is not fair. But if you go to God, He will guide you, He will lead you to the right path in your life, that you won't feel any more unfairness. So you will not say, life is not fair. Life is not fair, of course, but if you go to God and lean onto God, you will fully understand what life it is.